Okay, it's amazing also. 310 August 2024.
Or it's not about here, it's strange.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Some maybe coming.
No.
Here, this floodgator is covered like that.
Yeah.
It's not in use.
Yeah.
It's a bit a digital one, but it's not
Yeah.
in use. Okay, today is the 10th of August 2024.
Ukmergės gatvė 206.
Yeah.
Staircase 31 to 71.
Amazing.
Yeah.
It's like the. It's not in use, but
Yeah.
the floor, yeah.
Yes.
It's built in 1979. It's also in Šeškinė, one of the suburbs of Vilnius, Lithuania. I love the sunset smell here.
Same.
It's Finland,
Yeah.
You can try it. Original windows. That's
Yeah.
amazing.
Yeah. Yeah, it works for some reason, not at the ground floor, but still.
Yeah. Now this is also the second or third best today. So.
Yeah. Inspected by Kivice and maintained by Kony.
We're taking a second ride.
Yeah.
Yes. Didn't pop out.
Yeah, strange.
That's weird.
Yeah.
It will not close. Maybe I'll try pressing for sure.
Yeah.
Okay, it didn't.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's